Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change your profile picture on Netflix. So manage profiles here, and you are just going to be redirected to this page. Select the profile picture that you want to change the avatar, and then edit edit personal and contact info. Select the profile icon button, and then select whichever profile picture you want for your photo. There's a lot, starting from the classics, Black Mirror, Lucifer, The Crown, Money Heist, Squid Game, Stranger Things, Bridgerton, can I say that properly? Heartstopper, Orange is the New Black, Dark, Leo, Arcane, Wednesday, Education, The Believers, Lupin, I don't know how to pronounce that, I'm so sorry. Cobra Kai, Jurassic World, Avatar, BoJack Horseman. I really like the show. The Sea Beast, One Piece, Outer Banks, The Umbrella Academy, The Witcher, Gabby's Dollhouse, Sonic Prime, and The Sandman. Just select whichever you want. I'm going to choose, let's see. I'm going to choose one from Bridgerton, this one, and then once you're done, just press save. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.